ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಅನದರ್ ಎಪಿಸೋಡ್ ಆಫ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್. ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಗ್ರೌಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಒಂದು ಆಫ್ ರೋಡ್ ಇವೆಂಟಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Yezdi ಜಾವಾ ಅವರು ಒಂದು ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇವತ್ತು, ನೋಮ್ಯಾಡ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರೇಲ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಂತ, ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕಲಿ ಫಾರ್ Yezdi Scrambler ಮತ್ತು Yezdi ಅಡ್ವೆಂಚರ್ ಬೈಕ್ಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಇವೆಂಟಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಇವತ್ತು. ಕನಕಪುರದ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಇದು. ನಾನು ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತೀನಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, 1.5 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋಡ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇದೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟ್ರೇಲ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋಡ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇದೆ. ನೋಡೋಣ, ನಾವು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಲೆಟ್ ಸಿ. ನಾನು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಆಫ್ ರೋಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಕಡಿಮೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಂತೆ. ಒಂದು ರೌಂಡು ಆಫ್ ರೋಡ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕಿಗೆ ಇಳಿಸೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ನ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಗೈಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರಂತೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ, ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Thank you. So yeah, welcome you all. We have myself, of course, Nelly, and we have Durgesh and Durgi over here, who will be also assisting us. They are one of the trainers over here at Motofarm. As you all know, this place is all about learning to ride motorcycles off-road, right? And that's exactly what we are here today to get the nuances of understanding the motorcycle, what you purchase, and apply it as much as possible on off-road as well as on the road. As Vikram mentioned, the whole goal of this program is to make riding more safer, in not just in off-road conditions but in on road too. The safer rider out there is a better rider and a better name to a community which you belong from. So I'm not gonna talk much about it. We all know about it. We're going to start immediately into the learning part of it.
ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದು ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ರೀಫಿಂಗ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಗಾಡಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಲೈನಪ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
So the sitting posture, if you notice, of the motorcycle it's got the deepest section over here, as every motorcycle will have. It's like the most of the center point between the two wheels. It's well balanced. That's the ergonomics of the motorcycle. So when you sit in the center of the motorcycle, alright, and try and get your feet away from the control in this fashion. Alright, you guys see that? Alright, you will only come to the controls when you want to use them. Coming back from the leg, obviously you're sitting in the center. Keep your back straight, do not hunch that, and you're going to have the elbows up. So I'm going to now show you the standing position, which is what we're going to practice a lot today over here. Alright, I'm going to quickly go through it. Durgi, come. Stand on the bike. Yes, yeah, keep the stand. Ready? Okay. Now what you notice is there's a reason for a side posture. Now he's going to have his elbows a little wider, okay, and he's going to move his hip a little behind, okay, and he's going to be on the toes over here. Just get on the toes, slightly behind. Yes. Okay. Now if you notice from the side, his chin is somewhere above the handlebar. That's the posture you want to be. And he's going to now further look way further ahead. So your chin is going to come up. That's the posture you want to be in. Again, here also the same principle applies with your hands. 2 fingers on the controls over there. You're staying on the toe, okay, all the time. You're going to apply the brakes when you need it, right? So just show a shift, apply, and then come back. And if you want to be a smarter rider, if you want to have a good control on the bike, you need to control the motorcycle with the throttle input and not with the clutch. Because the moment you hold the clutch, you are basically disengaging the engine to the rear wheel. And then it becomes a rolling mass. And a rolling mass can go in any direction. And then when it starts going in any direction, you rely on brakes. And then you panic brake, and then that's the disaster. Do that today. So you see there are cones around it, right? So you're gonna go around I want 4 to 5 guys starting together. Okay, 5 guys at a time. We'll start from here.
1, 2, 3, 4.
If you're finding it difficult to get your hands off, that means you're not using your core, you're not using the lower half of your body.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
And the motorcycle, including Marcus to everybody, rides the motorcycle with the lower half.
Oh, yeah, that while cornering everything.
Everything. Yeah. So that's what we're gonna. This is your first step towards it.
Okay.
Okay. So pay attention. If you can comfortably get your hands off, all right, you're getting better at it.
Okay.
All right.